Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix TikTok not working. So let's get started the video. The first thing to try is to check your internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi signal can cause the problem. Also, if you are using mobile data, you should check if your mobile data is turned on. The other reason why TikTok might not be working is that the service might be down. Open your web browser and search for down detector. See if TikTok is down or not. If TikTok is down, then it's not just you who is experiencing problems. It might solve after few minutes later. Always ensure you are running the most recent version of the app to have the latest software. Otherwise, TikTok may not be working correctly. To update your apps, go to your App Store and download the new version. If it's still not working, then restart your phone. To restart your phone, press the side and volume up button, then select Restart. If you are still having problems, contact TikTok support for assistance. They will get back to you soon. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.